happy Monday, and hopefully you had a good Easter long weekend. So today we're opening with a gap right below the previous week's low, or right at the previous week's low, I should say. It's literally right at it. And we had a poor low here. We had two lows almost to the tick. Now we broke below it. We're trying to get lower. There's this session from Thursday was right in between these two distributions, which shows, remember I said it would probably be choppy in this area. We had a normal distribution day after that double distribution, making this a balance area, right? Like we're building a lot of volume here around the 5300. That's becoming the 20-day point of control. And we have inventory 100% short, which means that if we start correcting inventory, we're gonna fill that gap to that low of Thursday, and then move towards the weekly settlement, which is at 53.13. Actually, I wrote on the Discord 53.12, but it's 53.13. And at that point, 53.13 is right here, and we have value area low. So from there, I want to monitor to see if we accept inside value. If we do, I'm going to be looking for a move to value area high, which is around 53.39. And then from there, watch to see if we can keep moving higher to take this high, or if we just keep chopping around in this area, which is very possible. And we're one time framing down on the daily, we're one time framing down on the weekly, on the monthly. So bigger time frame trend is down, but sellers right now are having a little bit of a hard time. We're trying to get lower, but we're not getting any traction. So if we are able to hold below the 52.51 area, I'm looking for a move down to 52.10, which is that high volume node, and we have a little bit of support here, right here. So at this area, I'd expect a little bit of a bounce, but if we get below that, then I expect this single prints to be tested, and then look at all this volume that we have here in the 51.10. That's a very significant point of control. So, if we lose this area, I think we're gonna go to 51.10. If this holds, then we're probably gonna be looking for reversals back to 5300. Knowing that this week the weekly low is gonna provide some resistance. So that is what I'm looking at for today. NQ, similar structure. Below, I didn't mark the low, but the previous week's low is right here, which is the Wednesday's low. In the single printer right here, it's 17,920-ish. And then if we get inside the single prints, I would be expecting a move down to 750. And then if same scenario as ES, if we fill that gap to yesterday's low and then to the settlement for NQ is at it's way up there. It's at 18. Actually, I don't know, because I might have this chart wrong, but for NQ, watch for the same structure, the same value area low. If we accept inside value, then 20-day point of control is right there, and then a move through value area high, and then at that point be looking for continuation of breakout of that value area. That's about it. Gold is ripping. Gold is just non-stop bullish. I mean, it keeps going. It looks like it wants the 3,500 area. And then crude tested right below the 21 EMA, and it's coming down. I think if it just holds below the low from Thursday or Friday, I don't know what the session is, then 60-80 is the magnet. 60-80, that 20-day point of control, and then like this would be a look above and fell, and we could probably see it move down to the other side of the range, to the 59 area. But first we need to go through all this, right? This is it's gonna act as a little bit of support, but inside this highs, then 60-80 is the target. All right, that's about it for today. Good luck.